Hi friends, let me show you this new solar powered bird feeder with camera. It's a really nice option if you love to see birds in your patio, in your lawn. This one will allow you to feed the birds and have a alert going on when birds are in the feeder, okay? As you can see, this is the actual feeder. The food go here. It has these hooks to fix it to the wall, wherever you want it to be. And you put this like that. All the food will be here. The camera is here, so you will have a nice view of the birds really close by feeding themselves, okay? Let me show you what else you get. You get the accessories to mount it in the wall. You get the solar panel and the installing and the bracket to install it in the wall where you get the most sun possible. You get a long cable to install it. You get some other accessories like this bird stand. You can install a hummingbird feeder here. Also a fruit fork if you want to put some fruits in the feeder. An actual nest that you can screw here, so some birds can rest here. Okay, and even a binding strap that you can use to install it in a tree. Like this, if you want to strap it in a tree or in a tree-like base, okay? So we got all the accessories, all the information, and we are going to install it and try it. Let's do it.
You can discover bird watching like never before because this is more than just a feeder. It's a smart system that lets you enjoy and learn from nature in real time. This really nice feeder streams 2K HD video straight upon your phone, capturing every flutter and detail. As it is equipped with AI recognition, it can identify any kind of bird and send you real-time alert when a feathered friend arrives. With features like a fruit fork and nest support, it makes bird watching more interactive than ever. It is powered by a high-efficiency solar panel and it's built with bamboo and it's rated IP66, which means that it's durable enough to withstand rain, snow or heat. And the camera detaches easily for cleaning, ensuring both performance and convenience.
As you can see, we have everything ready. The camera is installed. We have now the bird's food, some fruit, the hummingbird nectar, and the solar panel ready. So we are going to configure the application, the app, and try to see our first birds today or tomorrow. Let's do it.
And with the application, we can use the voice intercom, capture photos, videos, send a alarm if we need it, or we can set all the different configurations like the night vision, all the different notifications that we can sense, and the sensibility of the different detection motions sensors that it has, which I think that it's really nice. We can preview the videos that there are storage upon the memory card or even in the cloud storage, which I think that it's really nice. That way we can download them upon our cell phone in the case that we need it, making it really easy and versatile. The AI doesn't just identify birds. It also auto-records motion-triggered clips, giving you a video diary of every visit. It's perfect for both casual night lovers and educational use. And with the multi-user access, you can share the experience. You can invite friends or family through the application, stream live video from anywhere in the world, and store your favorite clips in a cloud storage or an SD card. Overall, we think that it's great and we will really recommend it. See you guys!